This is at the Black Hawk, or no, this is at the Ameristar Hotel and Casino in Black Hawk. And pretty much all day I've been in like two, three, four floor buildings, but you're gonna see this will take a drastic change here in a second. Very quite the posh lobby here. Yeah. We have a pretty tall bank of elevators here. And they're Schindler. Epco buttons. "34 floors. Wow, these are pretty tall. MR, machine room. San Francisco. Okay, yeah, these are pretty quick. Wow. Yeah, these go. Can we get a view? Let's see. Where is a window? Thank you. There's a swimming pool. That's fancy. Good luck. Let's get a view out the top. Let's see out. There we go. The funny thing is it doesn't even look like we're that high up because we're on the side of a mountain, so the mountain comes up on that side. I wonder if we look out on this side if we'll get a better view. Damn, look at that. That is a fancy pool. This elevator video is turned into a hotel today. They got a vending area in the pool. Honestly, that's kind of nice. You can get your drinks while you're swimming. Quickly, we'll take a look. Whole pool area out here. That's neat. Anyway, continuing on back to the elevators. Somebody left their pool toys here. This is quite the nice property. But anyway, heading back to the elevators. These elevators are pretty nice too. In Khmer, do not use lay atop. Plia e justa. Wise words, if I do say. I wonder what the service elevators look like. Take a peek quickly. Is this the way to the stairs? It's right there. There's your service cars. Never mind. Just kidding. Okay. And it left. Yeah, I don't even know if there are service cars here. This one over here. Lantern's burnt out. Although the cab's in better shape. I like how they blended the camera with the wood grain. You coming down?
Yeah.
What floor?
24? Yeah, 24. Thank you.
24?
Yeah.
We're just filming a video of the hotel and the elevators and stuff.
Cool. Hell yeah. You have a YouTube channel or something?
I do, yeah.
Yeah?
It's not a very big one, but...
You gotta start somewhere, don't you?
yeah. I got my audience.
Remember that, man. We're throwing parties.
You have a good one. Alright, we'll end it on level 10 just to show what the guest floor looks like. Oh, sorry.
We're doing it?
Oh, no, I'm staying on.
Okay.
What floor?
We're going 16.
16?
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I want just look at it.
Yeah, it's on the very top.
I know.
Take care.
Okay, you as well.
Here's the guest floor. It's funny, it's got the older layout where the buttons are falling apart. Anyway. Wow. Pretty fancy. That's it.